Mastering the hosts file can be a game changer. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of editing the hosts file on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Whether it's for blocking websites, local testing, or other purposes, we have got you covered. Learn the ins and outs of hosts file editing in no time. Watch now to take control of your internet experience. To edit the hosts file in Windows 11 and Windows 10, Step 1. Open the File Explorer and go to C drive following folder. Step 2. Locate the file named hosts with no file extension and right click on it. Step 3. Choose Open With and select a text editor like Notepad. Step 4. If prompted, choose to run the text editor as an administrator. Step 5. You can now edit the hosts file. Add or modify entries using the format IP address followed by a space and the host name or domain you want to map. Step 6. Save the changes and close the text editor. Note, you may need administrative privileges to edit the hosts file, so make sure you run the text editor as an administrator.